begin by heading over to projects.raspberry.org/en/projects/noobs-install. That'll have links to both websites that you'll need for this installation. I see the first one here. But before that, we need to format the SD card. We'll start by heading over to raspberrypi.org/downloads. And from here, we can download and install the Raspberry Pi imager. So choose your operating system, download, and install that on your machine. Once that's installed, head over to the SD Formatter website. Choose your operating system and download and install the SD memory card formatter on your machine. With your microSD card mounted to your computer, go ahead and select the appropriate drive. We'll do a quick format here. Click Format, Yes to confirm, and give that an opportunity to go ahead and format your SD card. Now that our SD card is formatted, let's head back over to the Raspberry Pi imager and go ahead and install Raspbian on our SD card. From the Raspberry Pi imager software, you can go ahead and choose the model of Raspberry Pi that you'd like to load. And then go ahead and choose the operating system that you'd like to use for that particular model. Select the storage, that being the SD card that we just formatted. Go ahead, say next, no, and yes. And the Raspberry Pi imager will go ahead and start to write the version of Raspbian to your SD card. Now this will take some time. There's a writing and a verifying section. So for the purposes of this video, I'll go ahead and skip ahead. So here the imager has just about wrapped up the writing portion of the process, and we'll switch over to the verifying portion of the process. Here again, the verifying portion of the process will take some time. And once the imager is finished, go ahead and click Continue, and your SD card is ready to be installed into your Raspberry Pi.